Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to review Airbnb host. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to review your Airbnb host, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first, and after opening the Airbnb application, you just simply have to go into this trip section at first. But before going to review Airbnb host, you have to make sure you have to visit any Airbnb at first. Then after that Airbnb history will appear into this trips section. As you can see here, I don't have any trips booked yet, so there is no trips into mine. But if you have visited any Airbnb or any Airbnb host, the trips will be listed into this section. Now from this section, you just simply have to select the trip which you want to review, and then you will directly get the option of review besides that trip. This way, you can easily review an Airbnb host from your own account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.